Then you're going to square the new term. And then figure out what you need to add or subtract to get back to the number of your original problem. If we have x squared plus 4x plus 8, we're going to kind of forget about the 8 for a second. We're just going to focus on the x squared plus 4x. So I like to write it as x squared plus 4x plus blank, just like we did up here. So we're going to take the 4 and we're going to multiply it by 1/2. And that gives me 2. Once I do that, I'm going to square the 2. And that'll give me 4. That 4 goes in the blank. I'm only at 4. I need to be at 8. I started with 8. So I'm going to add 4 to the outside. I know this is going to be x plus 2 squared plus 4 because this term here always goes in there, just like it did up here. I did 6 times 1/2 to give me 3. And a 3 was the term inside the parentheses. 14 times 1/2 is inside the parentheses, 7. 5 times 1/2 inside the parentheses. 3 times 1/2 inside the parentheses. I've now completed the square here. This is going to become super important as we talk about transformational form and graphing. It will also give us another method to solve equations with. Got x squared plus 6x plus 1. Again, I'm going to forget about the 1 for a second, so I'm going to just have the x squared plus 6x plus blank. I'm going to fill in the blank by multiplying 6 by 1/2. So we're going to say 1/2 times 6, which will give us 3, and then we're going to square that to fill in my blank. Now, I'm at 9. I need to be at 1. So to keep it balanced, I'm going to subtract 8 from the outside. When I factor this, I know it's just going to factor into x plus 3, all of it squared, minus 8. Because when I took 6 times 1/2, that gives me 3. I've completed the square here. Last one, x squared plus 7/5 x plus 18. So again, I'm going to forget about the 18 for a second. I'm going to have x squared plus 7/5 x plus blank. I'm going to multiply the 7/5 x by 1/2. And that gives me 7/10. And then we're going to square that. So that's going to give me 49 100ths. So I'm at 49 100ths. If I convert 18 to 100ths, that's going to give me 18, and put 2 more zeros there, over 100. So I'm at 49 hundredths. I need to be at 1800. So I'm going to add, let me rewrite that down here so I wasn't wrong. 1,751 hundredths. And then I'm going to put the square. So x plus 7/10 squared plus 1,751 hundredths. Whoa, big fractions. Now all those are the ones without a coefficient in front of x.